The legend of Moulay Idriss. In the tumultuous tapestry of the 8th century Islamic world, amidst the upheaval following the fall of the Umayyad dynasty to the ascendancy of the Abbasids, a luminary emerged, a beacon of unity and guidance. This luminary was none other than Idris ibn Abdallah, a scion of the revered lineage tracing back to the Prophet Muhammad, possessing an innate charisma and inspirational leadership. Idris, born in the sacred city of Mecca, found himself compelled to seek refuge in North Africa following the Abbasid rise to power. Settling in the ancient city of Volubilis, nestled within the Moroccan landscape, he swiftly garnered the attention and reverence of the local Berber tribes through his teachings of Islam, fostering a unifying spirit among disparate clans. The year 789 witnessed Idris's momentous founding of Fes, an epochal milestone in the annals of Islamic civilization. Fes swiftly burgeoned into a flourishing hub of erudition and cultural magnificence, standing a testament to Idris's vision and governance. Though his reign of Fes was brief, marked tragically by assassination, the indelible imprint of his legacy persisted through the time immemorial. Revered as the progenitor of Idrisid dynasty, his lineage etched an enduring mark upon Morocco for over 2 centuries. The legend of Moulay Idriss, woven into the rich fabric of Moroccan folklore, generates the genesis of Fes and extols the revered Saint Hallowed's legacy. The saga unfurls with Idris's birth in the sanctified precincts of Mecca, his lineage tracing back to Abdallah ibn Hassan, a scion tracing his ancestry to the Prophet Muhammad. The advent of the Abbasid reign heralded turbulent times for Idris, compelling him to seek sanctuary in North Africa among the Berbers. His erudition and magnetic presence swiftly garnered fervent disciples among the tribes, enamored by his knowledge of Islam and his compelling charisma. In 789, the city of Fes emerged from Idris's visionary foresight, swiftly transforming into a bustling crucible of trade and cultural exchange. Yet, the shadows of tragedy loomed as Idris's rule met an untimely end through assassination. Despite his ephemeral earthly reign, his legacy endured, enshrining him as the cornerstone of the illustrious Idrisid dynasty, a testament to his indomitable spirit and enduring impact. The legend of Moulay Idriss encompasses not only his political prowess, but also a tale of miraculous benevolence. One fateful day, amidst the vast expanse of the desert, Idris encountered weary and parched travelers lost in the barren terrain. Moved by compassion, he wielded his mystical powers, conjuring forth a spring of life-giving water. The travelers, rejuvenated and grateful, christened the Miraculous Spring as the Spring of Idris, a revered pilgrimage site believed to possess healing properties to this day. Moulay Idriss remains an esteemed figure in Moroccan folklore, venerated as a saint, his tomb in Fes a hallowed pilgrimage destination. The legend of Moulay Idriss transcends time, encapsulating the essence of Islam's significance in the Moroccan heritage. It stands as a testament to resilience, a beacon of guiding hearts through adversity, and inspiring hope amid the trials of history.